Hey, Young Money Mentors fam, what if a car repair or medical bill hits out of nowhere? Could you cover it without stress? Welcome to the ultimate guide to building an emergency fund in 2025, your financial safety net for life's surprises. Whether you're starting from zero or aiming for 6 months of savings, I'll show you step by step how to save thousands, fast, even on a tight budget. I'm Young Money Mentors, here to help young adults master their money. Hit that subscribe button, grab a coffee, and let's secure your future together. Why is an emergency fund non-negotiable? 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. An emergency fund covers unexpected costs, car breakdowns, job loss, or medical bills without derailing your finances. I had $200 in savings when my laptop died, forcing me to use a credit card. Now my $5,000 emergency fund gives me peace of mind. Experts recommend 3 to 6 months of expenses, $6,000, $12,000 for most young adults. This guide will get you there, no matter your income. If you're ready to save smarter, give this video a like and let's dive in. Step 1. Set your emergency fund goal. Calculate 1 month's expenses, rent, groceries, utilities, transport. For example, $2,000 covers my basics, $1,000 rent, $400 groceries, $300 utilities, $300 transport. Start with a $1,000 mini fund for small emergencies, then aim for 3 to 6 months. I targeted $6,000 for 3 months and hit it in 18 months. If you're single with no dependents, 3 months is enough. Families may need 6. List your expenses now. Use our free tracker, link below. What's your monthly expense total? Comment to share your goal. Step 2. Choose the right account. Your emergency fund needs to be accessible but separate from daily spending. High-yield savings accounts like Ally or Marcus offer 4 to 5% interest in 2025, growing your money safely. I use Ally. My $5,000 earns $200 a year. Avoid checking accounts, too tempting to spend. Money market accounts are another option with similar interest. Don't lock funds in CDs or investments. You need liquidity. Compare rates. Links to Ally and Marcus below. Pro tip. Name your account emergency fund for motivation. Got a savings account? Comment your bank. Step 3. Start small and automate savings. Saving $6,000 sounds daunting, but $50 a week is $2,600 a year. Set up auto transfers to your savings account right after payday. $25 bi-weekly is $650 a year. I started with $20 a week and hit $1,000 in a year without noticing. Treat savings like a bill. If your income's tight, cut small expenses. Skip one $5 coffee weekly for $260 a year. Use apps like Capital to round up purchases. Link below. How much can you save weekly? Drop it in the comments. Step 4. Boost savings with budgeting hacks. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt. For $3,000 income, that's $600 to savings. I cut dining out by 50% and saved a fun $200 a year. Try no-spend challenges. Skip non-essential spending for a week to save $100. Track spending with Mint, free and easy, link below. Pro tip. Review your budget monthly to find leaks. My no-spend week saved $150. Tried a budgeting hack? Comment. Your favorite. Step 5. Supercharge with side hustles. Extra income can fast-track your fund. Freelancing on Upwork pays $20, $50 an hour. I earned $500 a month writing part-time. Delivery apps like DoorDash pay $15, $25 an hour, $200 a month for 10 hours. Even $100 extra monthly adds $200 a year. Links to side hustle platforms below. Pro tip. Dedicate 50% of side hustle income to your fund. My tutoring gig funded half my $6,000 goal. Got a side hustle? Comment your gig. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't dip into your fund for non-emergencies like vacations. Keep it sacred. Don't invest it. Stocks can crash when you need cash. And don't give up if progress is slow. $10 a week is still $520 a year. I once spent $300 from my fund on a sale. Big regret. Stay disciplined. Bonus tip, celebrate milestones. $1,000 saved deserves a high five. Want more saving tips? Like this video and subscribe. What's your biggest saving challenge? Comment and I'll help. That's your ultimate guide to building an emergency fund in 2025. How much are you aiming to save? $1,000 or $10,000? Comment below to join the savings squad. Subscribe for our side hustle video next. Hit that bell so you don't miss it. Links to Ally, Mint, Upwork, and more in the description. Thanks for watching, and let's secure your future together.